Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unbagging Lip Monthly. So I got my bag in the mail. I ordered this like 2 months ago and they said I wasn't getting it, so they didn't charge me this month, but I got a bag in the mail today, so we'll see what's in here. I've never tried Lip Monthly before. Bag is empty. It does have this cute little face, so let me see if there's a card, because I'm not sure if it's okay. There's a card. It feels like spring is only just around the corner, so we hope that you are taking full advantage of what the rest of the winter season has to offer. So, and this is what the front of the card looks like. It's cute. So like I said, I've never got this subscription before, so I'm interested in it. So it looks like there's there's 4 products in it. So the first thing I see is from Bang Beauty. I love Bang Beauty, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. If I can get it out of the box. Ooh, I actually like that. That is a pretty color. Yep, that's more what I like for colors, definitely. It's like a lip gloss, but it's really pretty though. And then next I have this Ginge Ollie Tinted Balm, and it's in Vanilla Peppermint. And that's what that looks like. I'm not gonna open that up though. And then we have this lip liner. It's an IBY Beauty, and it's that color, kind of matches my eyes today. And that's what that looks like. That's pretty too though. And that's that. And the last thing I see is this Mana Simply Beautiful Miracle Balm, and that's what that looks like. So this bag is $12.95 a month. I don't know if I'd order this again. I do love the lip gloss, but there's 2 of the 4 items that I like these 2, but these 2 that I don't know if I would use them again. I don't know. We'll see. We'll try it one more month and see what I think of it, but I'm not that impressed with it. I know a lot of people aren't impressed with this bag, but I wanted to try it out for myself and see what it was like. So, yeah. And don't forget, I do have that 500 subscriber giveaway going on, and all you gotta do on that video is you've gotta like the video, you gotta comment on the video, you must watch the whole video, you must be subscribed to my channel, and you must go over to Instagram and send me a like over there. All the rules are in that video, and I will link it above in the cards. And if you guys are wondering what I am using on my eyes today, I am using the It's My Pleasure palette by ColourPop. It's so pretty. So I think this is the 2nd time that I have used this palette, so I like it. It's really pretty. The colors I used today were Kitten Fish, Pretty Cruel, Chick Lit, Sleeper Fan Fiction, and Mr. Sandman. So I've used almost the whole palette on my eye look today. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every single time that I upload a new video. Bye, guys.